Hey YouTube, Mitch with I-95 Muscle. Got a 04 Wrangler for you here today. It's a Sahara. It's not an Unlimited, it is the short wheelbase, which the Unlimiteds in these years were 2 doors as well. They're just a little longer in that area. 35, 1250 BFGs on here, and surprisingly they don't rub a lot. And if you hit a bump at full tilt, those fronts will rub some, but that's about it. Nice little interior, rhino line floor. It is a 5-speed manual. CD player, 163,000 miles on it. Oh, I'm sorry, 149,000 miles on it. And this thing just got its new tires, a new transmission, new clutch, all at like 146. So 3,000 miles on that stuff. Best top went on at the same time. So has a new soft top. Really good shape. The spare is a little smaller. I guess it would get you off of a trail if you needed it to. Under the hood is all stock. And that's the stock bumper with the caps removed and a little light bar in place. A couple lights up here, they all do work. AC works, this is your switch for those lights. 4-wheel drive works perfectly. Thing is a straight up monster in 4-low. There's a star in the windshield right here, but I'm ordering a new one. So today's Monday, Wednesday or Thursday, this thing will have a new front windshield in it. And a rear view mirror. You can find this thing on i95muscle.com and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at i95muscle. Take it around back real quick, bring it back. I put probably 75 or 100 miles on this thing, just driving around, making sure everything worked the way it was supposed to, and it does. I was pretty happy with it. If I was looking for a Jeep, I'd probably keep this one for myself, but just ordered that 2021 Bronco, know what I'm saying? No room for a Jeep in the garage. That shutters because I'm too lazy to change out of 3rd gear, and I'm going too slow for 3rd gear. But taking a video, driving a stick, promoting your business, bragging about your Bronco that you're excited to wait an entire year for unless COVID makes them come out in like 2026 or something. You know, that's all hard things to do at once. This is what our showroom looks like right here in Hope Mills, North Carolina. Southern tip of Fayetteville. Fort Bragg also in the building. Here goes I then. Cleaning up the 69 Nova is going to be the next video I do. There goes Kelly. Modern Pro Polish, hard at work in the corner, buffing out a Raptor. Hellcat, about to get a video too. And let's not hit anything. I got a little finagling to do to park this bad boy, so I'm going to let you go. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to hit up them comments. See you later.